Living with furry friends can be a joy, but the constant battle against pet hair is a struggle many pet owners know well. The Shark Rocket Corded Stick Vacuum promises to be your knight in shining armor, offering a lightweight design, powerful suction, and a self-cleaning brush roll to conquer pet hair on all surfaces. This review delves into the features, functionalities, and potential drawbacks of this model, helping you decide if it's the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Ready to unleash the cleaning beast and reclaim your home from the fur monsters? Click the link below to learn more and grab your Shark Rocket Corded Stick Vacuum today. No hair wrap, happy cleaning. The power of a self-cleaning brush roll. One of the most frustrating aspects of vacuuming, especially for pet owners, is the dreaded hair wrap. The Shark Rocket tackles this head-on with its innovative self-cleaning brush roll. This ingenious design continuously removes hair from the brush roll while you vacuum, eliminating the need for frustrating manual cleaning and ensuring optimal performance. Lightweight powerhouse, deep cleaning without the bulk, weighing in at a comfortable level. The Shark Rocket boasts a lightweight design. This makes it easier to maneuver around furniture, clean underneath cabinets, and reach high ceilings areas that often get neglected with bulkier vacuums. Despite its lightweight construction, the Shark Rocket promises powerful suction for deep carpet cleaning and effective pet hair removal from all surfaces. Versatility at your fingertips. From stick vacuum to handheld hero, the Shark Rocket isn't a one-trick pony. With a touch of a button, it transforms from a stick vacuum ideal for floors to a lightweight, handheld vacuum. This versatility allows you to tackle a wider range of cleaning tasks, reaching furniture, stairs, car interiors, and other areas a traditional stick vacuum might struggle with. Advanced swivel steering for effortless maneuvering. Cleaning tight spaces and navigating around furniture can be a challenge. The Shark Rocket features advanced swivel steering, allowing for smooth and effortless maneuvering. This makes cleaning more efficient and less of a chore. Illuminating the way, LED headlights for hidden debris. Low light conditions can make it difficult to see dust bunnies and pet hair lurking in the shadows. The Shark Rocket incorporates LED headlights on both the handheld vacuum and the nozzle. This thoughtful feature illuminates hidden debris, ensuring a more thorough clean, especially under furniture or in dimly lit areas. Removable dust cup for easy maintenance. Emptying your dust cup constantly can disrupt your cleaning flow. The Shark Rocket features a removable 68-quart dust cup that allows for extended cleaning sessions without needing to stop and empty it frequently. This is a time-saving feature, especially for larger homes or those with multiple pets. The final verdict: a lightweight champion with a few caveats. The Shark Rocket Corded Stick Vacuum offers a powerful combination of features for pet owners on a budget. The self-cleaning brush roll eliminates the frustration of hair wrap, while the lightweight design and convertibility to a handheld vacuum provide versatility. The advanced swivel steering, LED headlights, and removable dust cup add further convenience. However, the corded design might be a drawback for those who prefer cordless cleaning freedom. Additionally, the limited number of tools might be a consideration for those who need a vacuum to tackle a wider variety of cleaning tasks. Ultimately, the Shark Rocket Corded Stick Vacuum could be a strong contender for pet owners in smaller or medium-sized homes with a mix of hard floors and carpets. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.